Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Let us learn this mind-blowing topic in Dinka language. The topic is opposite in Dinka language. Let us begin. Opposite in English or Dinka. 1. Deng will come tomorrow. Mean Deng abiben nyak. Deng abiben nyak in Dinka. 2. James will not come tomorrow. James will not come tomorrow. Mean James achibuben niak. James achibuben niak is the opposite of number 1. 3. Mary and Majak will come today. Mary and Majak will come today. Mary and Majak are name of people. In Dinka, Maria kumajak abiben yakole. Maria kumajak abiben yakole. This is how you write Maria in Dinka is Mary. Majak remain the same. A beben yakole. A, if you see double A, it means plural because we have Mary and Majak, so it should be A. Ku mean and. Mary and Majak will not come today. This should be the opposite. Maria kumajak ache beben yakol. Maria kumajak ache beben yakole. You see, ache beben yakole, which is the opposite beben yakole. Arik is coming now. Arik is the name of a Dinka lady. Arik is cooking now. Arik is cooking now, meaning Arik atat yemene. Arik atat yemene. Cooking now mean that yemene. Arik is not cooking. This should be the opposite. Arik achetat. Arik achetat. Arik achetat. Number 7. John and William are sleeping. In Dinka, John ku William anin. John ku William anin. This is how you write William in Dinka. William wa I la ya ma. William. John and William are not sleeping. This is the opposite of number 7. In Dinka should be John ku William achinin. John ku William achinin. They are not sleeping. This is how you write John in Dinka. John. This is how you write William. I am coming. I am coming. Mean and bo. And bo. The opposite of I am coming should be I am not coming. I am not coming. In Dinka, enchibo. 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 You see here is enbo. In Dinka opposite it should be enchibo. Enchibo. I'm not coming. Majak angich tongjang. Majak angich tongjang. Majak is the name of a Dinka male names. Majak no tongjang. Majak no tongjang. So you already know how to write the opposite. Yenekan, the end by William Majak. Educate Tongyang. Please follow for more. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. The name of our YouTube channel is called Dinka English TV5. Please subscribe. Also interact with us there. You comments, also like and share the videos to your loved ones so that we all learn Dinka language together. Okay? Thank you very much. I'm William. Majak. Ordinarily kawit, kuyanya. Next lesson. Bye bye for now.